Oh yeah, we had our meatloaf. There's what's left of it. Ain't much. And of course I had to have some snap peas and stuff. Yeah, and that was, yeah, it's alright. Meatloaf was really good. Anyway, well, let's talk about the weather. Well, as you can see, seems to be more grass than there was the last time. It is raining. It is raining out, and somewhere between 34 or 40 degrees. I don't know exactly. But yeah, so yeah, I suppose if it keeps precipitating, it's supposed to get cold tonight, so we should eventually get some snow. I don't know. I guess I'll show you in the morning. We'll see how it looks then. I'm thinking it's about 6 o'clock right now, but you know, I'm not sure.
Put your hands out the window, open the door, and step out.
So look. No, it's 5:12. Yep, it's about 12 minutes after 5. Getting dark. Wow. Can't wait till summer gets here. Well, I just thought I'd come out and just show you a little bit more. I know you can't see much. It's 8:34 p.m. John's back on his way over again. Here's the road. It's wet. It's raining. About a medium, steady rain. Been pretty much going on for several hours now. Not much to look at. There's a lot less snow, if you can tell. We're a lot more green, a lot less snow. This is the big blizzard so far, but the temperature should drop. We got some breeze blowing, and it seems to be coming from the north, or kind of northerly. So yeah, probably going to cool down pretty quick here, and then we'll probably see either some snow or some ice. But you know, I don't know if I'll make any more outside footage tonight because it's just too dark for you to see anything. So probably what we'll do is shoot some footage in the morning and see what kind of accumulations we have. Maybe we'll shoot a little film here when John gets here. Yeah, I'll keep him in on the old video loop.
Okay, we're ready for an update on this terrible storm that made me miss work and everything because all the guys on there must need tampons or something. But anyway, right now we can hear the rain outside, and my phone says it's 33 degrees and raining. It don't have a percentage, but that's all it says. It also says at 11 o'clock, which is 10:28 now, but it says at 11 o'clock it's going to be 31 degrees, so that means the temperature is going to drop 2 degrees, and there's an 80% chance of rain. And then there's 90, 90, 90, 100, 90, 80, 40. It's 6 a.m., 40% chance of snow. It's over. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a possible 7.5 hours of snowing. I don't think we're going to get all the snow they called for. But being that it is raining, it may be a little slippery.
Slippery?
A little slippery.
Slippery.
But that's our update. That'll take us up till 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then maybe Keith will go out and see how much snow we have. They're predicting now 4 inches. You know what we had last week, Ed?
Oh.
2 or 3.